Rhine River there. And you cannot see from this side because there are too much trees. And there they are installed later again. Oh, the hills.
This is the Technical Museum. Not sure what this is. 1952. Is it a Fokker triplane? Yes, Fokker triplane. World War One. Looks like a zero cockpit there. Wow, that's a lot of pipes. Oh, this is an ME-110. Motor. Beach Model 50. They're still flying around these days. Looks like a Fokker triplane again. I don't know what this is. SV4 Stampa. The trainer. Oh, okay. Pincho cabin roller. Ah, here's a Messerschmitt 109. Perfect condition. Okay. An F-15. Oh, this is a F-101. An AN-22. There's an F-4. Two F-4s. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a Vickers. It's a British plane. A Russian helicopter and a Russian plane. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff. This is a big plane. Wow. Big cargo plane. Oh, this thing's huge. A little Russian helicopter. Mi-8 maybe? I'll tell you what it is. Oh, okay. This is part of the original Berlin Wall. How about that? There's a Hind helicopter. Mi-24. This is the Soviets' big ground attack helicopter, kind of like an Apache, except a lot bigger. rocket tubes are all rusted out. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Rockwell Aero Commander. Ohio, 1952, 2,000 units built. Okay. This is the Hawker Hunter. Are the Black Arrows. Lockheed F-104. Starfighter in German markings. I flew this for a long time. 86, yeah. These are built in the 60s. And this looks like a MiG-21 here. Export version, I think. And it is a MiG-21. A bit bigger version. I have no idea what this is. Dorner DO-24 Flugboot. Oh, I see, they cut the wings off. So one time it was a flying boat. Now I see they cut the wings off. Cool looking nonetheless. It's a radial flow engine as opposed to axial flow, but they don't say much about it. This is axial flow. Or no, it's not radial flow, it's centrifugal flow. This is the M32 Bergepanzer. A tank. This is a British plane. In German markings, I think. Yep, Ferry Gannet. German markings. This is a U-boat. U-9. Yeah, it's decommissioned in, I think, 66, something like that. So newer submarine. Not a World War II version. Yes, they are. That's probably search and rescue. There's a 747 and a 15. Two F4s to the left. Looks like an albatross there. Oh, this is an Su-22. I thought it was a MiG-21, so they look kind of similar. I don't know what markings these are. Red and gray. I thought an Su-22 was ground attack, so yeah, it probably is. It's a big plane. It can carry a lot of ordnance. And here's an F-104 again. This one looks good. Nice example. Great markings. Russian markings. Germans flew a lot of these. And well, this looks like a crashed plane. A donor MNC 3605. Never heard of it. It's MiG-23. And they're Soviet aircraft. Pretty cool looking. I believe this is a swing wing. So this one is sort of like an F-14. A single engine. Oh, that's another Soviet plane. A Jak-27R. Reconnaissance aircraft or bomber. And some big engines on there. Never heard of it. There's another F-104. Seem to have a lot of these. Widowmaker. I never heard it called that, but okay. Ooh, there's a Lockheed plane. It's like an F-86 or T-28. I don't know. T whatever. Okay. So I don't know what this is, but it looks like it'd be a Soyuz capsule. Yep. Huh. Tiny little thing. And the US version. But this is only a picture. Also tiny. Oh, okay, this is European Space Agency's Columbus. I think this is their module.
Die Startfreigabe erfolgt. Für den 6. Dezember 2022.
Oh, and this is a Soyuz. what it looks like after it comes back. Yikes. Not a lot of room. And this is the Soviet version of the space shuttle. Never flown, I believe. At least it never made it to space. Okay, yeah. Lots of space stuff. Interesting. Never seen a spacesuit like that. And pictures from the moon. Pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. These spacesuits are actually dirty. Probably not real moon dust, but I know they got dirty.
Ich denke, Sie können sich vorstellen, dass wir da einen ziemlichen Überblick hinterließen. Wir mussten das da lassen, weil wir sonst nicht genug Nutzlastkapazität hätten.
Apollo 17 rover. I mean, this looks like a real moon rock. $2 billion years old. Okay. The lunar module's pretty big. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, landing gear for the Concorde. Yeah, looks like it. Another Ju-52. And lots of cars. Some presidential car. Wow. Hey, look, there's an old Corvette. With Texas plates, no less. Lufthansa has a long history of commercial flights. The Lockheed L-1011 TriStar. One of the first tri-jets. And an old German biplane. Oh, I think they call this an albatross also. Oh, here's a Mirage 3. French made. Pretty good plane. Looks like a Saab Viggen. We'll see. Yep, it is. Not a Viggen though, a Draken. J-35. Pretty cool looking plane. Oh, it's for the Austrian Air Force. Retired in 2006. Lots of motorcycles here. What a name, a mammoth. Does look like a mammoth. Aha. That one looks old. Launch 3. Like you have radiators on either side. I'm sure that isn't that comfortable to ride unless it's the winter time. Same thing here. The Canadair CL-215 flying boat. Oh, but you can't go up there. Okay. Well, that's what it looks like. I always thought they called these a duck, but apparently not. Similar markings to what I was going to paint. Orange and black. And silver. Swiss markings. here's a top view of that vampire. The Swiss markings.